Continuing our exercise 12.1, question number 15 is mother wants to divide rupees 36 between her two daughters, that is Shreya and Bhumika, in the ratio of their ages. So she wants to divide rupees 36 in the ratio of the ages, and the age of Shreya is 15 and the age of Bhumika it is 12 years. Find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get. So she wants to divide rupees 36 in ratio. What is the ratio? 15 ratio 12. Okay, so it means divide, the question changes into divide rupees 36 in 15 ratio 12. Now 15 and 12 both are divisible by 3, so it becomes divide rupees 36 in by 5 will come here, and by 3 we are dividing, so 4, so it means 5 ratio 4. Now first of all what we'll take, we will take the sum of the ratios. Sum, it will be 5 plus 4 9. So the first ratio of 15 it was of Shreya, so first we are calculating it for Shreya, so it will be 5 upon 9 and total it is 36. 9 ones are 9 fours are 5 into 4 it is 20. So Shreya, she got rupees 20. Already I have told you how to calculate the second one for Bhumika. The total money was rupees 36 minus rupees 20. It is 16 rupees that the Bhumika got, or you can calculate it in the other way, or how much share was there? 4. The total was 9 multiplied by 36. So 4 into 4 it is 16. In both the cases answer is same. So the share for the Shreya is rupees 20 and share for Bhumika is rupees 16. And if you want to check whether you have done it right or wrong, then you can add 20 plus 16, it is 36, and the total it is 36. By this way you can check whether your answer you have done is right or wrong. Now the last question of the exercise, it is question number 16. The present age of father is 42 years and that of the son is 14 years. Find the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son. It is present age of father to the present age of son. So what are the present ages? It is 42 of the father and 14 of the son. 42 and 14 both are divisible directly by 14. 14 threes are 42. So it becomes 3 by 1 and the ratio becomes 3 ratio 1. Now age of father to that of the son when the son was 12 years. Okay. Firstly, present age is 14. Now they are saying we have to calculate the ratio when the son was 12 years. Okay. So present age is 14 and now they are saying to calculate the ratio for 12 years. So how much is the difference? 2 years. So it is 2 years back. Okay. 2 years back. Age of father, how much it will be? 42 was the present और 2 साल पहले 2 years back, so how much will be the age? It will be 40 years. Okay, so the ratio of age of father कब है ये? When it was 2 years back upon ratio of age of son. 2 years back means 2 years of the present, 2 years back of present age. ठीक है. Now it would be 40 and the child was 12. Both the numbers are divisible by 4. Divided by 4 it will become 10 by 3. So the ratio becomes 10 ratio 3. How do we know? We have to subtract 2 because in the son it was given 12 years old. Okay? And the present age was 14. So how much is the difference? It is 2 years. That's why from the father's age we have subtracted 2. Now the third part is age of father after 10 years. Okay, if now the father it is of 42 years, so what will be the age of father after 10 years? Okay, what it will be? We will add 10 to it. Suppose your present age it is 10 years. After 10 years, how much will be your age? Plus 10. Similarly, it is the case in the age of the father. So, present age of father, how much is the present age? 42 years. So, 10 years after. What will be his age? 42 plus 10. It will be 52 years. Similarly, present age of son. It is 14 years and 10 years after. What it will be? 14 plus 10, 24 years. Now we have to calculate the ratio. I'm doing it here. It is the C part. Ratio of father's age after 10 years. Similarly, son's age after 10 years. How much it is? 52 and 24. 52 and 24 both are divisible by 2. It will be 26 by 12. Again 26 and 12 are divisible by 2. So it is 13 by 6. So what is the ratio? 13 ratio 6. Now age of father to that age of son when the father was 30 years. Now in the condition it is 30 years. Present age was 42 years. So how much is the difference? It is 12 years. Okay. And now the age of father, it is 30 years. Okay, so it is how much difference? 12 years. 12 years. Okay, similarly present age of son is 14 years. So 12 years back age of son, it will be 14 minus 12 means 2 years. So ratio of age of father when 12 years back. Similarly, age of son 12 years back. How much? It is 30 and it is 2. So it is 15 by 1. 15 ratio 1. It is your D part. So how here we got 12. I am explaining it again. Age of father to the age of son when the father was 30 years. Present age of father it was 42 years. And what have been given in the question? 30 years. So how much is the difference? 12 years. Similarly, the age of son was 14 years. So 12 years back. 12 साल पहले. How much would be the age of the son? It will be 2 years. We have subtracted from the present age 12 years. So it will be 2 years. Then we have calculated the ratio. Thank you.